Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 10 in English Reader. And chapter 10 is Tree House Treat. So, children, this poem, Tree House Treat, is written by Jane Hayat Yolin. So, Jane Hayat Yolin, born on 11th February 1939. She is an American writer of fantasy, science fiction, and children's book. She is the author or editor of more than 350 books. Her first published book was Pirates in Petticoats. Now, let's start with the recitation of the poem Treehouse Treat by Jane Hayat Yolin. Up in our tree house, springs on parade, we've got two cool leafy seats in the shade. If you eat an apple, I'll eat one too. We'll sit in the tree house admiring the view. Now you go down first. If Dad calls my name, we'll trick him again, twin switcheroo game. Then we'll count how long it takes him to see that I am not you and you are not me. So, children, do you know why this poem is called Tree House Treat? Because here in this poem there are twins. Two kids are there. And to them, this tree house is a treat as they are enjoying playing tricks on others from the tree house. So, children, do you know what are twins? So, twins are those two children who are born to the same mother on the same time, and both of them look exactly the same. So, when people look at them, they get confused. Now, let us know some word meaning in first stanza. Treat, an event that is out of the ordinary and gives great pleasure. Spring, a season between winter and summer in which new flowers bloom and tree begin to grow. Parade, marching and moving. Leafy, covered in leaves. Shed, an area that is out of direct sunlight and is darker and cooler than areas in the sun. Now let us see what the poem says. Up in our tree house, springs on parade. So these two kids, they are saying they are up. Okay, you can see they are sitting up in the tree house. That is house in tree. They are enjoying the tree house, sitting on the tree house in the spring season. So season is marching past in the tree house. We have got two cool leafy seats in the shed. So here they have got two seats, means where they are sitting. So they are enjoying in the leafy sheet in the shed as they are under the shade of a tree. Now moving to the next stanza. If you eat an apple, I'll eat one too. We'll sit in the tree house admiring the view. Now let's look on some word meaning. Admiring. So what does it mean? Act of looking at something with pleasure. And view means to see something. So here one kid is saying to the other that if you will eat one apple, I will also eat one apple. When the kids are saying that, they will sit in the tree house, eat an apple, and they will admire view. Means whatever is in front of them, whatever they will see, they will enjoy the nature in front of them. Now next, Now you go down first. If dad calls my name, we'll trick him again. Twin switcheroo game. Now let us know some word meaning of this stanza. So trick. Trick means to make somebody believe something that is not true. And next is twin switcheroo. It is a game. Now here one kid is telling to the other kid that when that dad calls out their name, the other should go down first, so that they can trick their father by playing the twin switcheroo game on him. Okay? Now let us see what is twin switcheroo game. Switcheroo is a game, a set of twins. So what they do? They pretend to be each other. They will exchange their name and one will act as the other. So this is the game played by twins to have some fun. They like to tease and trick the other people with this game. Okay, now come to next. Then we'll count how long it takes him to see. Then I am not you and you are not me. So what these kids are saying? That when daddy will call. See here, daddy is standing. Kid is saying that what they will do? They will play a game on the dad. That is twin switcheroo game. And then what they will do? They will count and check to see how long it will take their father to identify one child from the other. That means their father calls one, the other will answer in his name, and then they will wait for how long takes him to realize that the child replying is not the right twins. Okay? So now in short we can say that the Tree House Treat is a poem which unfolds with spring parading on the tree house. And here the twins are talking about the leafy shelter when they are sitting in the tree and eating the apple, and they are admiring the view. And whenever their father called out their name, what they do is they play game. That is twin switcheroo game. And they wait and count till how long their fathers figure out the mischief by the twins. So this is the poem about Tree House Treat. I hope you have understood this poem. Now come to exercise work, page number 52. C number. Make sentences with the words given below. So here are 4 sentences. You have to do it by yourself. Okay. Now D. Now write synonyms of the word given below. So what is the synonyms of cool? Not warm. Number 2. House. Home. What is the synonyms of view? Sight. Okay. SIGHT. Sight. Now 4. Game. Match. Okay. So these are the synonyms of these words. Now question number E. Why do you think the poem is called Tree House Treat? This answer I have explained in the beginning. So you write it by yourself. This, while explaining the poem, I have explained why this poem is called Tree House Treat. So listen carefully and write this answer. Okay? Now F number. Do all the lines in the poem rhyme? Which one do? Now see here, what are the rhymings? Parade, shed, to, view, name, game, see, me. So these are the rhyming word in this poem. Okay. Now children, what is your classwork? All word meaning which I have explained and write about Jane Hayat Yolin. Okay, so this is your classwork. And for homework, write this poem and all the exercise work. So all exercise work you do in your notebook. Okay, till then, thank you.